Hi friends, I'm excited to welcome you to Germantown Friends School for our open house located here on main campus at 31 West Coulter Street in historic Germantown. While you're here visiting, you'll have the opportunity to tour with the GFS ambassador, meet students, faculty, staff, families along the way. I encourage you to speak with our community members to understand the rich array of educational opportunities GFS has to offer. Recently, I was asked my favorite place on campus, and my response then, and still is, wherever the children happen to be. And sometimes that's out here on our beautiful campus greenery and commons, and sometimes it's in my office. The students know my door is always open, and a few weeks ago, two young ladies from Andrea Latanen's third grade class came to my office and enjoyed their lunch at my table. And during our time, they shared with me what they were doing in math class. And their math problem, they were very excited about their math problem. So for our 30 minutes together, the girls took me through all the ways to make the numbers 1 through 20 only using the number 4 and the mathematical operations. We had a great time chatting. They enjoyed their lunch. They shared with me some of their food, and then off they went to class and asked, "Can we come back again and bring more friends?" And I said, "Of course." And while you're here visiting our campus during open house, I hope that you too will find some favorite places where your children and you will experience the power of the GFS educational experience.